How to enable dual clocks on iPhone lock screen and home screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top left of the screen to open the notification center. From here, press and hold anywhere on the screen to enter the wallpaper customization mode. You will now be able to see all of your saved wallpaper collections in a carousel view. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Customize button. On this page, tap on the lock screen preview to begin editing. Tap on the widget area below the clock to open the Add Widgets menu. Scroll down the list of apps and tap on Clock to see the available options. You can swipe through different styles. Select a widget like City Digital to add it. Tap on the newly added widget on your lock screen to configure it. From the list, select the city you want to display. After choosing, tap the cross icon and then tap on Done at the top right to save. To add a widget to your home screen, long press an empty area until the icons jiggle. Tap on Edit in the top left corner to open the widget gallery. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap Add Widget Options. Use the search bar to find and select the clock widget. Choose your preferred style and tap on Add Widget in the bottom center. The widget will now appear on your home screen. Tap on Done as shown to save the layout. Following these steps, you can easily enable dual clocks on iPhone's home screen and lock screen.